This car has vibration and knocking from the front. Turns out the front engine mounting is worn out. In this video, I'll show you how I replace it step by step using basic tools. No fancy equipment. If your car feels rough or shaky, this might be the fix. First, jack up the car and secure it with jack stands. Then, use the jack to slightly support the engine. I place a piece of soft wood on the jack and gently support the engine from the oil sump. This is important before removing the mounting. Before replacing anything, check all the engine mountings. This car uses 4 mountings in total. Inspect each one carefully for cracks or damage. In this case, one mounting is already broken, so that's the one we're going to replace. I'm using a cordless wrench here to speed things up. Some bolts are tight, so take your time. If it doesn't move, don't force it. Recheck the angle. This part is mostly patience. Just keep loosening the bolts evenly and make sure the engine is still supported. But before removing the mounting, double-check the engine is properly supported by the jack. You don't want the engine to drop suddenly. I always remove the bolts one by one and keep them in order, so installation later is easier. While removing the bolts with a cordless wrench, ensure the engine is supported at all times. Some bolts will be tight, so work slowly and keep everything aligned. Once all bolts are out, the mounting can be removed safely. Let's compare the old and the new mounting. On the left is the old one. You can see the rubber bush is almost gone. It's cracked and no longer holding the engine properly. On the right is the new mounting, solid and firm. This worn rubber is exactly what causes vibration and knocking. Now, I'm aligning the new mounting. This part can be a bit tricky because the engine height has to be just right. I slowly adjust the jack position, lifting or lowering the engine slightly until all the bolt holes line up properly. Take your time here. Don't force the bolts. Once all the holes are aligned, the bolts should go in smoothly by hand. If the bolt doesn't go in easily, stop and readjust the jack position. Don't force it, or you might damage the threads. When everything lines up properly, the mounting will sit flat and secure. Once the new mounting is sitting securely, start tightening all the bolts. Tighten them evenly, one by one, to make sure the mounting sits flat. Once the new mounting is in place, tighten all the bolts that hold the mounting. Make sure everything is aligned properly and torque the bolts to the correct specification. This step is important to avoid vibration later. That's it, mounting replaced. No more vibration, car feels solid again. Like and follow for more easy car repair tips.